All right, I want to just do a quick, there's not that many videos on this, and it's kind of an important maintenance schedule for your KTM Husky gas 2. You got to change the blinker fluid, at least you got to empty it out. You know, it just depends on how often you ride. Is going to kind of gauge how much and, you know, how often you're going to have to do this, but it is an important maintenance item. You're going to want some gloves. You're going to want some safety glasses. Okay. Now you're going to want to do this. If you don't do this regularly, you might burn out bulbs because obviously old and worn blinker fluid is not good. Oh, by the way, you're going to need a bowl too to catch the fluid. I'd recommend bringing this fluid to some sort of chemical management facility. Just depends on how many times that flasher has been flashing on the fluid, you know what I mean? How contaminated it is. You just don't know what's going on in there. So we're gonna take a really tiny screw. This is super simple. I have not seen anyone talk about this. Now you can see in there, can you see that? I'm shaking it. You can see that blinker fluid in there. Go ahead and loosen this up just a little bit. I'm gonna apply pressure to the lens because I don't want to break the seal just yet until I'm ready. Because I don't want this blinker fluid going everywhere. Oh, there it goes. See that? Look at that. Look at that. There it goes. Did you see that? As far as I know, this is a KTM specific maintenance item. I don't know of any other manufacturers that need blinker fluid changed out. So, or, you know, if you don't want to deal with blinker fluid anymore on your KTM, you can go ahead and upgrade to a flush mount LED. And do the same thing on the back. And then I don't have to worry about blinker fluid changes anymore. Obviously I'm joking, kinda. KTM is notorious. They don't seal up their the housing on their blinkers, and they do fill it with water. So I guess technically you do gotta drain the blinker fluid. See ya.